to today's class. Our topic today is Tynker. Do you know what Tynker is? Listen carefully as we explore the word of Tynker together. First, what is Tynker? Tynker is an educational programming platform aimed at teaching children how to make games and programs. This means Tynker is a great programming application which encourages young children all over the world to learn coding from the basics. More than 60 million kids worldwide have started learning to code using Tynker. What does coding mean? Coding is the process of writing instructions for the computer. This means that Tynker gives you an opportunity to learn how to code. This means that you're going to be writing your own simple algorithm that can be recognized by a programming language. Tynker makes it fun and so easy for kids to learn how to code. Tynker is a flexible platform and no coding experience and no training is required before you can use it. Tynker introduces kids to coding with simple visual blocks. Instead of typing a source code, you are to visually drag blocks of code and snap them together to build your program. Tynker application is very similar to the Scratch application, but Tynker is a complete coding learning platform that has more features than Scratch. Both programs have an integrated development environment that runs on the internet, which will allow users to code online. An integrated development environment, or IDE, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. So, Tynker has an IDE that runs on the internet, which will allow users to code online. Tynker is the #1 kids coding platform where millions learn to code. So what is in the Tynker lesson? Tynker offers self-paced online courses for children to learn coding at home as well as in school. In Tynker, you can find interactive lectures, tutorials that gives you step-by-step instructions that guides you to build a project in Tynker. In Tynker, you can also find puzzles. That is, a scenario is presented with some code blocks where you are challenged to program to make the code work and solve the puzzle. You can also find projects, which is an open-ended activity with instructions where you can apply what you've learned and build a project. In Tynker, you can find quizzes. That is a set of fun multiple-choice questions around concepts learned in the lesson. So now you know what Tynker is all about. It is a programming platform that helps you learn how to code. It helps you to solve puzzles, to build games, stories, and interactive animations. Also, Tynker gives you the opportunity to learn how to control robots. So now, how do we access Tynker? Tynker is browser-based. If you have a web browser and internet connection, you are good to go. You just type www.tynker.com on your search bar and then you can access the Tynker application. Tynker works best in Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. Tynker also runs on Android devices. You can download the free Tynker app for iPads or Android-enabled tablets. With the mobile app, you can learn to code by solving puzzles while offline. Now, let's see how to access the Tynker application on the web browser. You simply type in the web address for Tynker on your search bar, which is www.tynker.com. Then you search for the application. Now this is what you're going to see when you want to access the Tynker application. This is what it looks like. Can you see? This is beautiful and very colorful. Okay, so you can simply click on this, get started for free. And then you join, create anything you imagine by learning to build code. So you click on this, student. As you can see, we have different games here that we can use to program. You can simply click on projects and then create a new project. But I want to show you something. Let's click on this Candy Quest. When you see this, it means that the page is still loading. Can you see this character here? We call it the actor. In our next class, we're going to explore more on the Tynker. Okay, can you see? This is one example of the so many fun things we are going to see while exploring the Tynker application. This is a gumdrop. It says click anywhere to continue. It gives you instructions which help you and which guides you on what to do. It says program your character to
walk to the gumdrop.
Okay, say click anywhere to continue. Alright, let's see this. I'll start. I'm dragging the walk block. Remember, we said in Tynker we need to drag visual blocks of code which help us to program. This is an example of the blocks that we can see in the Tynker application. So what have I done? I've simply programmed the character here.
Try connecting more than one walk block to reach the gumdrop.
You see, it gives you instruction. It tells you exactly what to do. So I need to program and I need to get more walk blocks so that my program can work. Alright, let's continue. Can you see? I haven't gotten to the gumdrop. Can you see?
Solve the puzzle using 5 blocks or fewer on your first try to get all 3 stars. If you don't get 3 stars the first time, try again later.
Okay, let's keep programming. I need to get the gumdrop. Can you see? Tynker helped kids learn how to build programs. Okay, this brings us to the end of today's class. In our next class, we're going to explore more on the Tynker environment. See you in my next class. Bye.